Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about my favorite fragrances for summer. Hey guys, welcome back to Gent's Lounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now and ding that little bell icon so you get notified every time we release a video. Alright guys, before we get this thing going, I want you to comment down below what your signature fragrance is or what fragrance you wear during the summer. So up first is from Atelier Cologne, and what they do is called a Cologne Absolute, which is a more highly concentrated cologne. I actually received this back in, I think, March, and I fell in love with it. It's a really fresh, citrusy scent. Obviously, like they say, California Clementine. You really smell the oranges. It smells fresh, it smells clean. It is a unisex scent, so anybody can use it. I will tell you, the ladies love this one. It's perfect for kind of a daytime scent. It doesn't really hold up well at night, but during the day at the beach, out and about, this has been my go-to for summer. Alright guys, the next four on the list are from Scentbird, so they do not come in their original bottles. They are sample size, but if you haven't heard of Scentbird, it's pretty much like Netflix for cologne. So they send you one cologne a month and you get to try new stuff, and it's sample size, so if you don't like it, it's not really too big of a deal. You get something new next month. I think we have a code somewhere to get 1 month free, so if I can find the link, I will put it down below if you guys want to check out Scentbird. But let's get into the colognes. So up first, we have this Acqua di Parma Bergomotto di Calabria, Calabria, sorry. So I actually took a trip to the Amalfi Coast in March and got to go to the Acqua di Parma store in Rome. And after visiting all of these places that they made the scents after, it's really spot on, guys. So this one is for Calabria, and it smells, I mean, you got a little bit of the bergamot. Obviously it says Bergomotto, so it's bergamot a little bit, but it's very heavy citrus, heavy lemon scent. So once again, another daytime scent. I put it right on the lines of California Clementine right here. So if you're more of a lemon than an orange fan, go with this one. So we got Tom Ford Vetiver Eau de Parfum. If you don't know by now, Tom Ford does everything well, so why wouldn't his cologne smell phenomenal? But this is definitely more of a summer nighttime scent for me. So, you know, it's more earthy, more kind of subtle, not a lot of citrus notes going on. But with a tuxedo or a suit on and a drink in your hand, this definitely makes a statement. It smells James Bondish, if that makes a sense. It smells pretty James Bondish, if that makes sense. So Tom Ford, good job. Love this one. This is more the nighttime fragrance, I would say. Up next, English Laundry Oxford Blue. This one is awesome. So pretty much, this is kind of an all the time scent for me. So maybe not super sophisticated for like a classy night out, but during the day, and then if you're going out to the bar with a coworker or something, this is definitely a day to night scent for me. It's fresh enough to be worn during the day and holds up enough to stand out at night. So English Laundry Oxford Blue, probably my number one on this list right now. And last but not least, we have Acqua di Parma Fico de Amalfi. Like I said, I was a very big fan of the Acqua di Parma store when I went in Rome, so I got all of the line from Scentbird that I could find. So this one right here is based on the Amalfi Coast, which is Capri Positano. Basically, if you want to go to the beach in Italy, you go to the Amalfi Coast. So this one also fresh, very, very kind of oceany, little bit of herbs in there, but this could also go day to night for me, but still more of a daytime. There's a lot of daytime in the summer because I feel like it's sunny most of the time anyways, and you're not really layering up to put that earthy tones on with your outfit. So I love this one as well. But this one probably is the lowest of my top 5. So if I had to rank them in order, I would go, let's see, English Laundry Oxford Blue, California Clementine, Acqua di Parma, Tom Ford for those sophisticated nights, only because it's less versatile, and then Acqua di Parma Fico de Amalfi would be number 5. But these are my top 5. Like I said, there are a ton of different Scentbird scents that did not make this list for me, so I did not curate this in any way or shape or form. It is not sponsored. Just wanted to tell you what I'm liking right now, and if you guys want to check this out, they're all available on Scentbird except for the Atelier Cologne, which is phenomenal. So if you're in New York or LA, you can get a chance to smell it, do that. Like I said, if you want a free month of Scentbird, I think I'll have a link down below, so check that out and let me know what you guys are wearing right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.